Buksan po natin ang ating Biblia sa Matthew chapter 14 verses 1 to 12. Verse 1. At that time, Herod the tetrarch heard the report about Jesus and said to his servants, "This is John the Baptist. He is risen from the dead, and therefore these powers are at work in him." For Herod had laid hold of John and bound him and put him in prison for the sake of Herodias, his brother Philip's wife, because John had said to him, "It is not lawful for you to have her." And although he wanted to put him to death, he feared the multitude because they counted him as a prophet. But when Herod's birthday was celebrated, the daughter of Herodias danced before them and pleased Herod. Therefore, he promised with an oath to give her whatever she might ask. So she, having been prompted by her mother, said, "Give me John the Baptist's head here on a platter." And the king was sorry, nevertheless, because of the oath, and because of those who sat with him, he commanded it to be given to her. So he sent and had John beheaded in prison, and his head was brought on a platter and given to the girl. She brought it to her mother. Then his disciple came and took away the body and buried it, and went and told Jesus. Si Herod na nabasa natin ay anak ni Herod the Great na pumatay ng mga sanggol sa Bethlehem. Narinig niya ang kasikatan ni Jesus at nakuha ang pansin niya. Naniwala siya na nabuhay muli sa patay si John the Baptist. At bumunga ito ng pagkabalisa sa kanyang isipan na puno ng pamahiin at paghihirap sa kanyang budhi. Guilty sa pagpatay ni John. Nagbunga ang konsyensya niya ng isang kaduwagan. Sa aklat ng Mark 6, si Herod ay galak na marinig si John sa preso. Nag-preach sa kanya, kinundi na ang kanyang kasalanan, pero hindi ito nagbunga ng pagsisisi sa kanya. Baka meron sa atin kalagitnaan na nakoconvict din sa inyong mga kasalanan sa pakikinig ng salita ng Diyos, ngunit hanggang doon na lang at bumalik kayo sa dating gawi. Si Herod may galak makinig kay John, pero hindi huminto sa pangangaliwa. Tulad kay Judas na madalas ay nakarinig ng salita ni Jesus at nakaupo pa sa paanan niya. Si Herodias hindi rin bumunga ang pakikinig niya, ang narinig niya kay John dahil ayaw niya magsisi at sila lahat ay napahamak. Sa Ezekiel chapter 33, verse 11, sinabi, "Say to them, as I live, says the Lord, I have no pleasure in the death of the wicked, but the wicked turn from his way and live. Turn from your evil ways, for why should you die, O house of Israel?"